Arsha Nadeem wins gold medal for Pakistan in Paris Olympics 2024 by throwing javelin 92.97 meter. Arsha Nadeem is a prominent Pakistani athlete specializing in the javelin throw. Born on January 2, 1997 in Miachanu, Punjab, Pakistan, Arsha Nadeem has risen to fame as one of the country's top track and field athletes. He has made significant contributions to Pakistan's athletics on both regional and international platforms. Arsha Nadeem hails from a humble background. Growing up in Miachanu, he initially played cricket before transitioning to athletics. His journey into the world of javelin throw began at a young age, and he quickly showed promise due to his natural talent and dedication. Arshad first gained international recognition in 2016 when he competed in the South Asian Games held in Guwahati, India, where he won a bronze medal. He further solidified his reputation by winning gold at 2019 South Asian Games in Kathmandu, Nepal. One of his most notable achievements came in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, where he became the first Pakistani athlete to qualify for an Olympic final in athletics, although he did not win the medal. His performance was highly raised and he finished fifth with a throw of 84.62 meters. In August 2021 at the Tokyo Olympics, Arshad's performance brought him into the spotlight as one of Asia's leading javelin throwers. He continued to improve his performance, consistently achieving throws over 85 meters. In 2022, Arsha Nadeem won a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, UK, with the personal best throw of 90.18 meters. The throw not only won his the gold medal but also set a new Commonwealth Games record and marked him as one of the elite javelin throwers in the world. Arsha Nadeem's success has inspired a new generation of athletes in Pakistan, particularly in track and field. His achievements have highlighted the potential of Pakistani athletes to compete at the highest level, despite limited resources and training facilities in the country. Arshad remains grounded and committed to his journey, is seen as testament to hard work and perseverance, making him a role model of inspiring athletes in Pakistan. Arshad Nadeem continues to train rigorously with an eye on future international competition, including the Olympics, where he aims to bring home a medal for Pakistan, and now he has won the gold medal for Pakistan.